A very good evening, students. Let's start to identify some more functions performed by money. We have already listed 4 of them in our functional definition of money. To your left, I have written primary functions, which we have already done. Primary functions, just observe it properly, maybe a little bit of light impression. Medium of exchange is the first one. It removes lack of double coincidence, recall it. Second one is unit of account. It helps in comparison of each product through a common unit. Secondary function, store of value. And the last one, fourth one being standard of deferred payment. Clear? Now, let me recall with you all some more functions. For that, I'll ask you to go back to 11th class, wherein you did consumer equilibrium, students. Now, consumer equilibrium is found at that level where a consumer identify his satisfaction at that level wherein the price is almost equal to the level of satisfaction. That means that unit at which his satisfaction will be equal to price, that is where he will reach his equilibrium. Clear? Equilibrium means the position of rest, if I have to say so. I hope it's quite visible. Now, the problem with satisfaction was, if you remember Marshallian analysis, it was expressed in utils, whereas the price is generally expressed in rupees in Indian scenario. Now, the comparison cannot be possible. Why? Because one is in utils, other one is in rupees. So, how to get rid of this limitation? Convert this satisfaction which is expressed in utils into rupees, and now rupees can be compared with rupees to get the consumer equilibrium. So, have an equilibrium, you need to have common units not only on the price side but also on the satisfaction side. Now, that is what you call it as, if I have to say so, a contingent function of money, which helps in determining consumer equilibrium. How it helps in determining consumer equilibrium? By converting the satisfaction level expressed in utils into money. Come to another one. We just wrapped up with national income. Now, national income is what, students? It is the money value of all the final goods and services produced produced by the residents as such, right, in an accounting period. Now, that national income, we know it in the income method, it is because of the contribution of 4 factors of production: land, labor, capital and entrepreneur. Now, who will get how much share, right? Just imagine barter system, what would have happened? Absolutely difficult to identify such type of scenario. So, in money system, we know that national income is 10,000 rupees. So, who will get how much share? That will depend upon which factor has contributed more in the process of production in comparison with the other, right? So, what is the second function? Contingent function which money can perform? Helps in determining the distribution of national income. And you know it, national income is distributed, students, amongst whom? National income is distributed amongst the 4 factors which help in generating national income. I hope it's quite clear. So, primary and secondary function in black, naturally very, very important. But if in an exam on a bad hair day you asked a question that contingent function explain, then you can make it as a good hair day. Am I clear? Thank you.